Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can make this Amaryllis Rebloom for Christmas. Amaryllis is a bulbous plant. Its bulbs are about 5 to 10 centimeters in diameter. The bulb produces one or two flower stalks or leafless stems, and each one will bear a cluster of 2 to 12 funnel-shaped or trumpet-shaped flowers. Treat it as a house plant and keep watering. Late spring to summer, the plant will start producing leaves. It has nice green foliage with strap-shaped leaves. The leaves will do photosynthesis and store energy into the bulbs. Beginning of fall, the leaves will start drying off. Cut back the leaves when they are completely dry. The bulb needs 8 weeks of resting stage or dormancy period between the leafy period and the next blooming. So after cutting off the leaves, when it is completely dried off, stop watering for 8 weeks. Keep it in a cool, dark place. Do not water for 8 weeks. After 8 weeks of dormancy period, move the plant to a sunny area where they can get indirect sunlight and do regular watering to keep the soil moist. You will see flower spikes forming in 2 to 3 weeks. Amaryllis is an easy care houseplant. If you buy the bulbs already have gone through the dormancy period, so you can just plant the bulbs and water it regularly to keep the soil moist, and you will see flower spikes forming in 2 to 3 weeks. When the flowers get dry, cut them off and treat it as a normal house plant. And this cycle continues, and the amaryllis will bloom for you year after year if you continue the same process. During Christmas time, you will see gift packs with amaryllis bulb, pot and soil as a kit, which is a good gift for plant lovers.